Good morning, viewers. Welcome to today's class. If you are yet to watch our previous episode, which is on how to create dashboard, please kindly go and watch it and click and subscribe. Okay, on today we'll be looking at scenario analysis. Okay, this is an inbuilt app in Excel. It helps us to make decision making when we are having doubts. Okay, that's what it does. It helps us in making decision. Okay, and this is what we work with today. And if you want to prepare, you go and click on data. Okay, here you see forecast. Under forecast, we have forecast sheet and what if. You click on what if, then click on scenario manager. This will come out. You click on add. Okay, so this add now, let's say we write house one, because this is about somebody that want to rent a house and want to make decision on which house is going to take. Okay, so now what we are going to, if you click here, is showing us this whole table, but this is not what we want to change. So what we want to change is C, from C5, okay, down to C10. So what we just type here is C5 hyphen C10. That means we are telling, you are giving command that we want to change these values here. That's what we are trying to compare, so that help aid us in decision making. Click OK. So you can see this pops up. Okay, so all these things here now is what you are seeing here, from house rent down to transport fare. Because we are not changing house one, we just click OK. We don't do the same thing, add, name our next one house 2. Okay, then click OK. Then this thing, let's say not 20,000 house rent, let's say 10,000. Okay, then for light bill, let's say 700. Then gas bill, let's say um what will you say now? Gas. Okay, let's say $50. Okay, for water bill, yeah, for water bill we say 2,000, and for security bill you say 750. We transport pay remain the same. Okay, so for house 3 we do the same thing. For house 3 we want to find out, don't forget the income is 30,000 and these are the expenses. So for house 3, let's say the house rent where the person is getting the house for the third house is 25,000. Okay, then the light bill is 1,000, gas bill 100, water bill 35, then security bill is what are we going to say 30. Okay, that's for, and we still leave the transport to be the same. Then let's do one more, one say house 4. Okay, house 4, still click OK. Then we change the house rent to 21,000 per month. Okay, let's leave, let's just change this gas to what number are we going to use now? Okay, let's just say 170. Okay, then for water bill we say 29, and for security bill we say 200. Okay, click OK. Then if you click show, that's for house 1, then click show for house 2, you notice that these numbers change. If you click for house 3, it changes. House 4, the same thing, it changes as well. Okay, so what we have to do now is just to click on summary. Okay, So this option pops as we have scenario summary, we have scenario pivot table. You click on OK for this summary. So this is our summary. It's telling you as one, see what the amount that you have to pay. Okay, 24,050 naira. If you are renting house too, this is your expenses for the month, which is 14,000 300 as 30,430 pounds dollar, sorry, as for 25,500 pounds. So you yourself, if you look at this, you will choose the best one. Then let's go back again, do the same process. Scenario man, click on the scenario manager. Okay, then we click on summary, then to pivot table reports, click OK. So this is what we have. Okay, just go to insert, then you plot the graph that you want, choose the one that you want, which is, let's use this one. Okay, so in terms of assuming that what you just did was for business analysis, not for your personal consumption. Okay, so what happens now, this draft now, you need to present it so that it aid you in making your decision. Okay, and don't forget that you can filter this design, make the look at which one suits you or which one you think that is best that you can use for your presentation, and you do what, you click. So this actually is how scenario analysis is used to make decisions. Okay, yeah, is used to make decisions whereby you are confused on what to do, especially when it has to do with long-term plan. Okay, so I hope you learn one or two things from our class today. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and like. Thank you.